Creation is groaning,
Sell everything, it's crashing!
waiting in hope.
We are live from the disaster zone
For the sons of God to be revealed.
This is a call to step into your true identity, to be formed, equipped, and ignited as the Son of the Heavenly Father. I invite you to the course Sons of Glory, a powerful journey into sonship, identity, and the glory prepared for God's sons. It's time to rise. It's time for the sons to be revealed. Join us.